Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Talented Tech Guy. Today's video is going to be an interesting one. So turn on the subtitles, watch the video till end, don't skip any part. So let's get started. By reading the title and seeing the thumbnail, you obviously know that what will be in this video. But first, I want to say something. Couple of months ago, a company called Linklike contacted me and said, "We saw your video and decided to give it to you so you can review it on your channel." Then I got so happy, but as you know, due to lockdown, there are no flights. But luckily, my brother who helped me in these videos is there. I have few questions for him, so let's see what he has to say.
Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Tech Guys YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of this headset called Linklike Elite X wireless Bluetooth headset. And before I do that, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe to his channel.
And don't forget to press the bell icon. Now let us see how is the packaging of the box.
So here we go. This is how the packaging looks like, and I'm going to rotate it for the camera. Now I'm going to open it.
Wow, that packaging looks nice. Now let us see what else is in there, including the main unit.
I'm going to open it up. So now I'm going to show you what's inside the box. Quickly slide it open. Here's the case. Besides the case, there's a user manual. There's a pouch to carry the case, and there's a small card in it which says if you apply for a VIP member within 14 days, you can win extra 12 months warranty. So there you go. And this little box here has our wire, and along with the wire there are few extra muffs.
Now let's see how does the Elite X look like.
Now we're going to take a quick peek at the case. Let me open it. I'm pretty excited to see how it looks. So this is the case right here. It has the Linklike icon over here, and it has a Type-C port over here that we can use for charging. So now we're gonna open and see how the earbuds look like. Ta-da! Wow, these look really nice. Even the case, for that matter, it's pretty smooth and nice. The casing is pretty good, solid. Here are the earbuds.
Tell us a bit more about the buds.
So here are the earbuds. I'm going to take it out, and it has a magnetic hold over here. You can put it there, take it out. They stick in very nicely. Now looking at the earmuffs, it feels like they're going to fit very nicely in my ears.
Can you show how does it feel I mean, is it comfortable?
I'm gonna try it on and see how it fits. This is the right and this is left. Yeah, they feel pretty comfortable to me. Nice. And there's also a blue film over here that kind of protects it from charging right now because it's brand new. So we're gonna take this off and see how this charges and all that. And there are 4 indicators here. They point to how much charge it has in here, but right now it's not showing anything because it's turned off. So I'm gonna put it back, and now I'm gonna try and connect these to my phone.
Can you show how does it pay?
So now let me show you how this pairs with my phone. And I'm gonna open it. The way it works is you have to open it and take out the headset from here so that it's available for pairing. You open your Bluetooth and there you go. Here, now it's connected to my phone. Let's see how it sounds like now. So now that I've paired it with my phone, I'm gonna check how it sounds. And I have selected a song here and I'm gonna play it to see how it sounds actually. Wow, these are loud. The bass is also really well. It's nice, it's pretty loud. Okay. The sound is really nice. It's clear. I don't know how loud I'm speaking right now, but this is really loud.
How is the sound experience?
So I'm back after listening to the song and I'm pretty impressed with the experience. I enjoyed listening to the song on these headphones. While listening, I was also going through the user manual and it has some instructions on it about the touch controls on this panel right here. So it's like if you tap this once on the right hand side, it will pause the music, and if you tap it again, it will play the music. Now again, there are other features, like if you tap on the right side, double tap on the right side, it will go to the next track. If you double tap on the left side, it goes back to the left track. And there are other features about accepting calls that, again, you know, all these details are mentioned in the user manual. I highly recommend going through the user manual because it has all the details in it.
Now coming to the specs. What are the specs?
So to add to the specifications and some features of the headphones, this uses Bluetooth version 5 and has a battery capacity of, the case has a battery capacity of 400 mAh, and it can charge the headphones 3 times at least.
Is it pocketable? I mean, can it fit in your pocket?
So again, coming back to the case, it's pretty small in size and it's pretty sleek. I'm gonna just put it back and see how it fits in my pocket. So here it is. So fits right in here. It's pretty, doesn't take too much space. I can even put my phone in there along with it, and it fits nicely.
Now can you describe it in your own words?
Talking about this, I really enjoyed this experience. It was good. The sound quality was really nice. The voice was pretty clear. The bass was nice. And the sound was really loud. And then, you know, obviously I had to take it down a notch to kind of keep it up to my liking. But yeah, these are really loud. So yeah, overall I give this 5 stars. Amazing product, amazing headphones. I highly recommend these to people who enjoy listening to music on their headphones.
So that was the unboxing and review of Elite X. A massive thanks to Linkline for sending the product so I can unbox and review it and show it to you. The original price for this is $59.99. But if you use code, you will get it for $39.99. I will drop a link down below. And thanks to my brother, because without him this video wouldn't exist. So that's all for now. So I want you to share this video as much as you can, because this is the first video in which a company collaborated with me. This video should get at least 480 likes. We have come to end of this video. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Because of you all I'm here. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Take care and have a nice day.